Hey everybody, Glenn Hausman here from The Hospitality Show. One of the issues that I'm seeing continually being discussed is labor, and inflation. So I found Brendan Reidy over here. He's the CEO of BirchStreet Systems. We'll talk a little bit about this. I want to get to the bottom of how we can solve some of the problems that hoteliers are having out there. That's why what you're doing is really interesting out there. It's a group purchasing organization, right?
Well, what we do is provide the software for both GPOs and our hotel clients to better manage their whole procurement process.
Right, and what you're doing by getting it out of like paper and the books is you're really able to streamline things, plus get better pricing on goods and services, right?
So we're able to operate far more efficiently than a manual paper-based system would be, and it's really critical today, especially with the labor shortage. Even if you wanted to do it manually today, you'd be hard-pressed to find enough clerks to come in and do the work.
Seriously, I can't imagine doing that stuff manually. I'm still surprised that a lot of people are doing stuff off Excel spreadsheets and stuff when it comes to like revenue management. And it's the same situation when it comes to purchasing. And I think one of the things that you guys could really do effectively is if you're running low on product, it already knows that kind of stuff, right?
That's right. Through our inventory system, you're able to stay on top on a real-time basis what goods you actually have in the warehouse, what goods you need to be ordering, and really help you optimize for on-time delivery of products that you need for your hotel.
So what's it like getting involved in BirchStreet? Is it a very complicated way to get off and running? Because a lot of people are worried about training, and they've got a lot of other things that they're worried about. And I'm afraid that it's one of those things that like they want to do it, but then there's so many other pressures that it's hard to make that switch.
Sure, and today hotel management has, as you said, so many contentious opportunities for their time and work. So with BirchStreet, we provide a lot of assistance getting our clients up to speed. I'm not going to kid you. I'm not going to say it's easy. Anyone who tells you putting in a new procurement system is easy, well, that's someone that you don't need to invite back for the next round of talks.
But, thank you for your honesty on that, at least.
But at the same time, it's not like rocket science. So there's effort involved in converting your existing suppliers, your existing inventory over to the new system. But we really provide a lot of help with that. For instance, we'll do all of the EDI integrations to your big suppliers. So like Cisco, US Foods, we probably have thousands of vendors who are already enabled from our EDI perspective.
That's pretty amazing. And what if I'm somebody that, I'm happy with who I'm working with, but maybe there's other opportunities? Is it easy to source products that are different on your system that I'm not already using?
It certainly is. So the most important part, though, it's both easy for the end user, but we enable the strict financial controls that someone in a central procurement or central finance situation would want to be able to exercise over an end user.
Excellent. Any piece of advice for people out there as we go through the rest of the hospitality year?
Sure. I think that when we look at the two biggest challenges confronting the hospitality industry today, it really comes down to labor, which we've already talked about, but also inflation.
Right.
So it's really important in this environment of rapidly changing prices, commodity restrictions. We still haven't debugged all the supply chain issues from COVID. It's really important to have excellent insight into their inventory, into their procurement, and into the ability to control which suppliers you use for the optimal pricing.
And that is absolutely fascinating and more important than ever. Remember, everybody, your operations environment is complicated. It's not getting any easier anytime soon. You've got a lot of pressures on you. Here's one great way to take a little bit of that pressure off. Brendan, thank you so much for being here, sir.
Glenn, thank you so much. We're looking forward to hosting you at our user conference.
Yes, and I'll be speaking at their user conference this November. Fort Worth, Texas. That's going to be fantastic.
It sure is. We're excited to have you there.
I'm excited about that, and I got to confess, I'm a little excited about maybe getting some brisket, too.
Okay, absolutely. I'll take you out for some barbecue.
I love it. All right, see you guys next time.
Great. Thank you, Glenn.
Thank you.